If you want to build a career in high paying finance roles, like for example, investment banking, portfolio management, private equity, or even hedge funds, there are two certifications that often comes to your mind. One is CFA and another is CAIA. But many students are confused. Which one actually leads to a better career opportunity for them? Let's break it down in today's video. First, let us try to understand what all these certifications actually are. CFA, which stands for Chartered Financial Analyst, is considered as one of the most respected certifications in the investment finance industry. It focuses on areas like financial analysis, equity research, portfolio management, fixed income, and corporate finance. In simple terms, CFA will train you to understand how money moves in public market, for example, stocks, bond, and even investment portfolios. Today, there are more than 190,000 CFA charter holders working across the world. In top financial firms like asset management firms, banks, consulting firms, they're working everywhere. Now let's talk about CIA. CIA stands for Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst. And as the name suggests, this certification primarily focuses on the alternative investments. Now these are the investments that are different from traditional stocks and bonds. For example, you have private equity, you have hedge funds, your venture capital, real estate investment, commodities, and even structured products. Now, these areas have grown massively in the last decade because large investors are looking for new ways to generate higher returns and to diversify their portfolio. So while both of these certifications belongs to the finance world, they're actually preparing you for a very different career path. Think of it like this. CFA focuses more on traditional investment and public market, whereas CIA focuses more on alternative investment and private market. Now let us look at the career opportunities that you can get after completing CFA. Many CFA professionals work in roles like portfolio managers, equity research analysts, financial analysts, investment bankers, risk managers, and also wealth managers. Now these professionals usually work in broader industries like asset management, investment banking, financial advisory, and even large financial institutions. At an entry level, someone who is pursuing CFA usually starts as a financial analyst or a research associate in India. Okay, and overall, the salary level that we see in India, where the entry level salary could range from 4 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. Obviously, it depends upon which company you're joining and what are the skill sets that you're bringing on the table. But as a professional, when you gain some level of experience, say around 3 to 7 years of experience, then you move to a slightly senior roles. Like for example, you become a senior analyst, you become a very senior credit analyst, or even a portfolio manager. At this stage, your salary could move from 12 lakhs to 25 lakhs per annum. And obviously, as we grow more with experience, you will become portfolio manager or even investment head. At these senior levels, the professionals generally earn above 25 lakhs to 50-60 lakhs per annum. It also goes higher depending on which firm you're joining and what is the asset that you're managing. Career opportunities that you can get by doing CIA. Since CIA specializes in alternative investment, the job roles are slightly different. Many CI professionals work as a private equity analyst, hedge fund analyst, alternative investment analyst, or even real estate investment analyst. Now, these roles are usually found in industries like if you're working in private equity, hedge fund, venture capital fund, institutional investors, sovereign wealth fund, and at an entry level, what professionals generally do, they join as an investment analyst, research analyst, or even alternative asset analyst. In India, when you look at the salary, again it ranges from 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. And as your experience grow, for example, with 3 to 5 years of experience, ideally move towards an associate level role. And in hedge funds and private equity, you will also become a senior analyst. At this stage, the salary would range from around 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. With deeper experience and good understanding about the industry, professionals move into slightly more senior roles, like for example, fund manager, portfolio manager, and even investment director. Over here, your salaries can go exponentially. Here, you can earn from 30 lakhs to 60-70 lakhs per annum also. Or even more importantly, you can move globally. Over there, professionals working in private equity and hedge fund get very good exposure, very high compensation, and also they are able to work in multiple industries. Okay, and they're also able to look at variety of pool of capital. So how do you friends decide whether I should go for a CFA or CIA? A simple way that I generally tell students is that to think about this. If you are interested into stock market, portfolio management, equity research, investment banking, then my suggestion would be CFA is usually a better path. But if you're slightly more excited about private equity, venture capital, hedge funds, or even any type of alternative investment, then CIA would be the right direction for you. Again, friends, both certifications are highly respected in the global finance industry. Both can lead to strong salaries, exciting career opportunities, but the best choice depends on what kind of role or what kind of finance professional you want to become. If this video helped you in understanding the difference between CFA and CIA, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel. If you're still confused about which certification is right for you, then you can reach out to us on the comment section. Thank you very much.